In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install your new default apps. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, scroll down and choose Apps section. Then click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser apps. I have to click on this option here. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it, and lastly, click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!